what happened in these financial markets is very, very accurate, calculated, and precise. It's just a matter of learning and find out what the heck is happening, right? A lot of people think that it's random, but it's not. Let me show you how I find these turns very easily and then trade accordingly and make a lot of pivots. So let me show you, what happened this last week, right? This is a pound Aussie. I mean, Euro Aussie, right? Euro Aussie. Look, I have my fib there, and I said from here it's gonna go here. What happened to this chart later on? Exactly what I said. How? How that happened, right? Now, you can say that this is just a fluke, right? But what about this? Same time, I made this on the 27th that this pound Aussie is at the TL, this level, Fibonacci calculation, and it's going to go from here to this level here, 92.21. Then what happened to this one? 92.21. Exactly. Same calculation, right? And these are the chart that I post when I make the before chart. For example, this one here, pound Aussie, right? This is I posted on the Forex Factory. I post on my Telegram channels, couple of them, right? So people know exactly that this is what I'm looking at, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the entry from either 7-minute chart and 20-minute chart, which I'll show you later in this video. You'll see. So this is like before and after. So I said in this now, the third pair is pound USD. I said this one here, it is at the level and it's going to go back to this high, this mark, it's like orange market there. And look what happened to this chart. Boom. That's exactly where I said that it's going to go. So far, 3 out of 3. More, you can see here that this USD yen, I said it's going to drop. This went crazy because of the intervention, right? So this is supposed to be coming down here at least, but it came down all the way here. You can see in this chart what happened here. Boom, right? So it's supposed to be here, but the intervention, boom, all the way come down, right? Right now, it is making a bullish butterfly, beautiful setup here, long setup now. So it's going to go up next week. I'll make the chart and I post on my Telegram for my subscribers, right? Similarly, if you look at the, for example, gold, I mean, I have, setups on and on and on and on. And those are the setups that I use. For example, this one, you see this gold, I said it's going to come down from here to here, right? And boom. So what I do is that I simply use this analogy here that I said is okay, after having a, reversal candle means a red candle turn into blue, I take either 7-minute entry or 20-minute entry and cash out. From this to this, let's start 200 pip, right? So I'm, taking, 100 pip trade, 90, 80 pip trade from here to here, somewhere in between. Very easy. So let me show you how many trades I have done this week so far using these setups and these calculations, right? So let's just start from the first one. That's Aussie yen going to the upside, right? So when the 40-minute chart start to bounce, it goes up and then it gives you an entry like this. This was a beautiful entry. This was the entry. This was the entry. Simple as that. So 75 pip right here. CAD yen going from here to here, 850 pip on the 26th. Euro yen from here to here, 80 pip. All of these, I had setups for everything. Gold, I showed you that it's going to come down. So this was the entry going down all the way from 40.62 to 40.42, right? This one here, Bitcoin coming down here. I had setups in Bitcoin and I make the chart and then I wait. I don't wait, but I put my CTS 7, which is an EA that automatically open the trade when the setup is there. And it plays the TL, not TL, TP, SL, and all of that, right? So this one here, Euro Aussie, see, I just showed you the chart that's supposed to be going, so it's to start to bounce from here, give me the entry here, and boom, 95 pip, right? From the 7-minute chart, and that 20-minute chart also gave me the entry, which is right there. See, this was bouncing, 7-minute entry was here. From here to here, I cash out 95 pip. From here to here, I cash out another 50 pip. Only just one chart. Which one was this? That is going to go from here to here, and it did. Exactly, I said that is going to go, and it did. And in between, I had 95 pip and 50 pip. Two trades from here to here. Simple as that. All right. So next, let's see. Pound Aussie, I showed you, right? Before and after chart. Going to the upside, never had a 20-minute entry, but the 7-minute entry here gave me 50 pip. Euro yen going to the upside, 80 pip. Pound yen going to the upside, 50 pip on the 29. The entry was, yeah. Euro USD went up 55 pip. Aussie yen coming down here, 175. This is after the intervention, right? So now start seeing that what happened after the intervention. 170 pip, CAD yen 220 pip to the downside, all the way, beautiful entry. And all of these entries taken by the CTS7 EA, auto trading robot. You can have that as well, very easy, right? Learn the system, how to use it, when to use this CDS7, and then apply that, put it on the chart, and it will do the rest. This one, look at that USD yen chart that I showed you. What was that? This one, right? So it came down all the way there, and the trade that I had, that it opened, is this coming down. This was bullish here. See, everything is above the red line. All of a sudden, it goes below the red line. EMAs are aligned and all the way down. 400 pip in one trade. Pound yen, 280 pip, just like that. Bullish, turn bearish, entry, drop. That's all there is, but need to learn. Pound USD, I showed you the chart. Pound USD before and after. This was it's supposed to be going to the upside, and it did, right? Right here. Beautiful, right? And the trade, according to that, was this. Started to go up. Entry, gone, 100 pip. Euro yen dropping. All yen pair drop and gave me beautiful entry and then trade. 155 pip. Euro USD, the same trade, same entry, continue, and it end up hit, 120 pip from 7-minute chart entry right there. This one, pound yen down. After dropping, it started bounce. I mean, like 400-500 pip drop, then it has to retrace a little bit, right? So the retracement gave me this 105 pip to the upside again. Right, Euro yen 185 pip again to the upside now after dropping. So this is it. At that time, I was so tired. I said, "What the hell with it? I'm not trading Friday," and bye bye. So Friday I took off because I was really tired after all these trades. All right. So this is what you can learn easily. Remember, I just showed you all of these setups according to some kind of calculation. So if you learn that Fibonacci tool and the calculation that how the Fibonacci work, what number comes after what, right? They are all related, 61, 78, 38, right? 127, 1.618. They are all related. So if you have some specific number and the price is bouncing from a specific number, 90% of the time it goes to its, relative, its brother number. Right, so they are all connected to, interconnected to each other. So once you learn that, the life becomes very easy, right? So if you want to learn all of this mumbo jumbo and want to trade like this, you get all of these trades, forget about these, right? You get 2 or 3 trades, and then it, within a week, and it pays off for all your, one-on-one fees and all of that, right? Only one trade will pay it off. So go on my website here, creativetrading.com, sign up for one-on-one, learn, and then start doing this drama. That's it. Simple as that. I'm showing for years and years constantly. And by the way, I'm going to finish a couple of one-on-one over the weekend. So sign up. I'm going to have some room. But when I don't have room, I cannot take more than that. I mean, I'm the only one who can teach this. So, and I can take only so much, right? So take advantage of that and sign up and take it from there. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And I'll talk to you guys maybe Monday.